Hey, this is Michael, and welcome back to me and Paul's channel. We're so excited to have you here. Before we dive into this video, I want to make sure you subscribe to our channel because we have new videos coming out every week, and that you turn on the bell to get notified so you don't miss out on any of these new videos. We talk about buying real estate, selling real estate, and all the strategies we use, like virtual wholesaling, buying and managing rental properties, renovation projects, private lending, and owner financing. We buy primarily through online auctions, off the MLS, and through wholesalers and agents. And we've purchased in 44 states. With that said, I'm going to dive into today's video. Everyone, I hear all the time ask, I found a property deal, but where do I get the money to purchase a property? So if you're not looking to sign a contract, or you think it's a deal and you want to take it down and know it might take a few months to sell, where do I get money to purchase this, property? And so I'll kind of cover a few examples on your own money and other people's money that we've utilized in the past. So first one is, ways to purchase, properties using your own money. So, a lot of times people don't think about it. You might have a self-direct IRA that you could use instead of, in your IRA, instead of just purchasing mutual funds and stocks and bonds. Maybe you subscribe to a self-direct IRA where you can invest in anything, such as real estate. A lot of people utilize this, and it's a great way to grow your retirement accounts. Another way to think about it is if you don't have much debt on your personal property and it's worth a lot of money, you could pull out a home equity line of credit through a bank, 50, 75, 100, 200, whatever K it is, on your property. Rates real low. Rates right now are really low on that, and it's interest only when you take that money out for the most part. So you could utilize six figures from your own personal property to purchase investment properties that you want to purchase and quickly wholesale, or maybe do renovations and resell, or buy them as rentals and then later refinance and cash back your home equity line of credit. In other avenues, some folks might just have savings and savings accounts to utilize purchasing properties that are deals. And then another one, if you have permanent life insurance, there's usually cash value in there. And that's a quick way you could get in a few days money out. It's basically, the savings account within your permanent life insurance product. So those are a few examples just from your own money that you might have access to purchase properties that you want to buy to wholesale if you want to actually take them down, or if it's an REO property where you can't assign it. Now let's shift gears to other people's money. So some of the ways we've utilized are, there's companies out there that are just transactional funding, where you purchase the property and a week later or same day or a month later, you resell the property. And usually, it varies on what people charge, anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to $1,500, just to use that money on a short-term basis for a few days or a few weeks. Another example is hard money lenders. They're going to cost a little bit more. However, you're going to still make money on it. Sometimes they charge, most of the time they're going to charge some points, and there's going to be higher interest rates involved with that. It's anywhere from probably 10 to 15% on average. Another example is if you have another business or something like that, maybe look to use a kind of the opposite of a HELOC, but like a business line of credit in your business that you have as an opportunity to purchase properties. And then finally, one we utilize a lot is private lenders. These are just individuals that have a ton of money in savings, and they don't want to earn 0% interest in a bank account somewhere. And you meet these folks through networking, such as real estate investment groups, country clubs, cocktail parties. We just talk to people about what we do, and people are interested and they want opportunities to get in real estate without actually actively managing projects. And this is a great way for them to diversify their portfolio and invest with real estate investors such as ourselves. And these deals vary significantly. Sometimes it could be tied to an individual house or property, where you'd actually put a mortgage and a loan on it, mortgage and note on it. Or you could, some people are okay where receive monthly or quarterly dividend payments from us, where, they lend us X amount of dollars, and, we give them quarterly interest payments, interest only payments. So there's several ways that you could utilize your own money or other people's money to purchase real estate properties, whether they're REOs for wholesaling where you can't assign, or just, if it's you're purchasing from a homeowner and you can't find that buyer right away, but it's a deal and you don't want the contract to expire, you could actually close on it and then resell it a little bit later and still make money on the deal and not have that contract expire with the buyer. So hope these ideas are helpful. And again, comment below if you want to hear any future topics from us. Thanks, and have a great day, everyone.